So I've got a couple questions. I realized potatoes, I don't know how to cube a potato. Figured it out. They look more like triangles, but whatever, I guess they cooked. Number two, apparently it's supposed to be bone-in chicken. So I'm doing boneless chicken, so we'll see how that goes. And then you have to use forks and do something with the forks. I don't know. Not really sure how to do that. Apparently you have to cook the broth or something with it before you, and then you put the chicken into the broth with the chilies. Waiting on the chicken right now because I don't actually know if I cook the chicken first or later. I really get paranoid with chicken because I don't want to eat raw chicken. So the chicken's probably going to be overcooked. I need one of those like things you put in it. Kind of like a mental note, I guess. It says to estimate this taking an hour or so. My goal's 2 hours. I'm figuring out that one of the big reasons I don't cook is because I don't have time to cook, apparently. Because this is going to consume my entire afternoon. Hopefully it tastes good. Yeah, to be continued.